Hello everyone. Today, we will introduce you about best bedroom plants that purify the air and improve your sleep quality. Did you know that a simple house plant could transform your bedroom into a healthier, more restful space? English ivy is not just a beautiful trailing plant. It's one of the best air purify plants you can have. In this video, we'll explore how English 4 improves indoor air quality, removes toxins, and even helps you sleep better at night. Stay tuned to learn how to care for this amazing plant and make your bedroom a fresh, relaxing sanctuary. English ivy is one of the best houseplants for its ability to effectively filter a wide range of toxins from the air. A NASA study found that it was able to filter 5 of the most commonly found indoor air pollutants: formaldehyde, xylene, benzene, ammonia, and trichlorophene. Some studies have also shown that it efficiently removes airborne mold particles, which is vital for maintaining good health. Exposure to mold has been known to cause throat, skin, nose, and eye irritation, and can also cause wheezing as well as skin complaints. Keeping ivy in your bedroom is a brilliant, natural way to combat mold, and its presence will work to prevent you from breathing in harmful mold particles while you sleep. This plant also works well in a bedroom because it is easy to grow and is very low maintenance, making it ideal for amateur plant growers or anyone who is too busy to be caring for plants. The English ivy is usually seen climbing up fences and exterior walls, and many people are often surprised to find that it actually makes a very good houseplant. It will grow in almost any level of light and doesn't need to be watered too often. It can grow quickly, so you may need to prune it occasionally to prevent it from growing out of control. But this can easily be done with a sharp pair of scissors and does not require any special skills or knowledge. Ivy looks stunning when allowed to drape down from a plant pot kept on a high shelf, or when trailing from a hanging plant pot. Ivy also has the advantage of being inexpensive to buy. So, in the unlikely event that you do manage to kill your ivy, you won't be out of pocket. Ivy is unbothered by soil type, humidity levels, temperature, and light. As long as you are happy with the temperature of your home, then the ivy will be happy. Water the plant once the soil has dried out. This is a good method to prevent overwatering. Overwatering is the most common way to kill this plant. So here on the side of caution, and only water when the plant needs it.